How to get rid of dark circles. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with. Dark circles. Whether it's from lack of sleep, genetics, or stress, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Before we tackle how to get rid of them, let's understand what causes dark circles in the first place. Dark circles are often caused by a combination of factors such as genetics, thin skin under the eyes, dehydration, and lifestyle habits like lack of sleep and poor diet. One of the best ways to combat dark circles is by making simple lifestyle changes. Start by prioritizing your sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours each night. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and incorporate a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids. A consistent skincare routine can also work wonders for dark circles. Look for eye creams or serums containing ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid to brighten and hydrate the under eye area. And don't forget, sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial in preventing further damage. If you prefer natural remedies, fear not. There are plenty of options right in your kitchen. Cucumber slices, cold tea bags, and potato slices can help reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. Simply place them on your eyes for 10-15 minutes, and voila! For those days when you need a quick fix, mastering the art of concealing is key. Choose a creamy, lightweight concealer that matches your skin tone and gently pat it onto the under eye area using your ring finger or a damp sponge. Set it with a translucent powder to ensure long-lasting coverage. If you've tried everything and still struggle with dark circles, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Treatments like laser therapy, chemical peels, and dermal fillers can target stubborn dark circles and rejuvenate the under eye area. Consult with a dermatologist or skincare specialist to determine the best course of action for you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get rid of dark circles. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient and give these tips a try. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.